It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new. It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new day.
Cause it's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new day. Open your eyes and the way.
It's a new day. It's a new day.
It's time to skate. Yeah, it's a music passion in my blood, fly high as a kite. Choose rappers showing love in my rhymes when I write. I'm versatile, rhyming any style. I'm not like dudes rapping in the club, smoking bud, wanna fight. Make it happen with the clean, like doves wearing white. People clapping on the scene when I'm rhyming on the mic. But it don't profit me if my life ain't right behind the scenes in my private life, living for the Christ. Ice don't bring happiness and living for the cheese. Pricey clothes with the lavishness can end in a disease like soul if you value it. It won't make you happy. Me and my wife a year was making over 100 G's a year. But my soul broke, can't spend a dime when I die. Even worse, yo, dying without cries. I tried, drove smoke, felt my body dying when I tried. Be surprised how many die getting high. While alive, they sleepwalk. Eyes like Garfield. God gives sight to the blind. This ain't weak talk. Trying to spit the life, get them all healed. What can be worth eternal life? Man, it's time to seek God. Get right, I'm telling y'all, God's real. We need him cause